I'm giving you a question, students. Write, sorry, write a Java program for display electricity bill. Okay, electricity bill. Okay, what is the attributes? Input, customer ID and customer name, and number of units and value, and then okay, number of units, please enter like this. Only these things you have to input. Output, must calculate the cost based on number of units. So the table here is, if the number of units is in between 1 to 100, the cost per unit is 1 rupee 25 paise. 1 rupee 25 paise. If it is between, I am giving, if it is between 101 to 200, so the cost per unit is 2 rupees 75 paise. And next thing is I am giving, it is 200 to 201 to 300. Give the cost of the number of unit prices per unit prices 4 rupees 56 paise. If the greater than 300, directly I will give the greater than 300. I am directly giving that 7 rupees 86 paise, 89 paise. So calculate the cost. Okay, based on this particular range of units, it is unit per what is that? Unit price. Okay, I will write price per unit. This is the range. Trying to the same program in the Java. So let me take, this is an electricity bill now. Right click on your project, new class file. My class file name is electricity bill. And click on finish. Now you can write the main method here. Okay, now you take the scanner also. Okay, good, Karthik. Good, keep going like this. I have to write programs. Yes, display all the things. Okay, right. Same program I am going to write to you here. If anyone is not understand, please understand. Scanner. So scanner SC equals to new scanner. I need to take for scanner for accepting the inputs. System dot in. Next is I need some variables. String, customer ID, comma customer name. Okay. Next is I need to take the input integer under integer number of units. Okay, you can also take the service charge also. I have not taken, actually. Take a service charge. SC refers to service charge, 20 rupees 25 paise. General service charge is also going to require. You need to find the price. So how can I assign? Java does not, it is treated like a double. This is one of the important problem. So many times in the interviews also this question will be asked. If I directly assign some value like this, SC equals to 20.25, it is treated as a double value. So I have to tell this particular value is a float value by using the suffix s, f. Then there is no problem. Okay, suffix f is telling that this is the float value. Next, I am going to take a double. I need to find the cost because it may be a precision value, because I take the cost. Service charge is 20.25, that's why I taken in the double. Now I will ask CISO, enter customer ID, enter customer ID. Now customer name equals to customer ID equals to customer ID. CUS ID I take as a variable equals to SC dot next line is the predefined function. Next line is the predefined function. Similarly, I can ask some more things, that is system.out.println enter customer name. So customer name I can store under customer name variable, and next is number of units. Next is number of units, system.out.println enter number of units. So number of units is integer, so you must use next int, next followed by then you can use if the number of units is greater than 1, and you have to use the logical operator here. Number of units is less than or equals to 100, 1 and 100, then the what is that cost, we are calculating the cost equals to number of units into what I given, 1 rupee 25 paise, number of units into 1 rupees 25 paise plus service charge. Okay, else if the number of units is greater than 100 and less than or equals to 200, then it becomes 2 rupees 75 paise plus service charge. Else if number of units is greater than 200 and less than or equals to 300, then it becomes 4 rupees 89 paise plus service charge. Number of units into 4 rupees 89 paise. Else final case, else means greater than 300, cost is number of units into 7 rupees 75 89 paise plus service charge. Okay, then display all the values. So display the name of the customer ID. Customer ID is there in cost ID is the variable I taken. Similarly, I can copy paste customer name. What happened? I will copy this one. Customer ID, customer name, number of units, service charge, cost. Okay, so customer name here, that is customer name, and next is customer name followed by number of units, number of units, number of units is in NOU, number of units, and next is service charge. I am displaying all the things. Service charge is there in SC variable, and next is what is the final thing, that is cost, total cost. Total cost, total cost is there in cost. Okay, so this is the program. Karthik, you written well, the program is good, but I changed a little bit, like service charge. Right click, run the application, enter customer ID. My customer ID is CUST1234, customer name Rajesh, number of units 234. So I get the total cost and everything, the complete details I get. So this is the program.